Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're ready to upgrade your car's sound system with powerful, hard-hitting bass, the MTX Terminator Dual 12-inch subwoofers are an excellent choice. This loaded enclosure is designed for music lovers who want deep, punchy bass without spending a fortune. The system includes two 12-inch subwoofers pre-installed in a durable enclosure, making installation much easier than building a custom subwoofer box from scratch. With 1,200 watts of maximum power and 400 watts RMS, these subwoofers deliver strong, clean bass that brings your favorite music to life. Whether you enjoy hip-hop, EDM, rock, or pop, you'll notice a dramatic improvement in low-frequency performance. The rugged enclosure is built to reduce unwanted vibrations while enhancing bass output, giving you a fuller and more balanced listening experience inside your vehicle. Keep in mind that you'll need a compatible amplifier to get the best performance, as it's not included with the system. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable car audio upgrade with powerful bass, reliable performance, and easy installation, the MTX Terminator Dual 12-inch subwoofers are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech and car audio reviews.